Hello everyone! Andito tayo ngayon sa langit. Nasa langit. Tingnan niyo oh. Yan, sea of clouds. We are at the highest peak of Oman. Sa highest mountain nila, tapos surrounded by the clouds. Ayan po. So if you can see, ayan, ayan, ayan. Ayan. Surrounded by clouds. Ayan. Ayan po. Surrounded by the clouds. Ayan siya. Clouds na po yung nasa likod ko. Ayan. Thank you.